My wife does not like whiskey, and today we're going to play a little game and see if she can pick the $200 bottle of whiskey blind.
This is going to be awful.
All right, this is my wife, Erica. She is amazing. She puts up with my ridiculous obsession of bourbon, as you can tell. And for some reason, today, she's agreed to come in here and drink whiskey in front of you all. So
I don't really know why I agreed to do this, but I'm here, so.
She's here. And it's going to be fun.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
I don't know about that.
It's going to be fun for me and maybe you.
Yeah, maybe.
So, but all right, so here's the deal. She does not know what these bottles are. Yep. One is $200, one is $400 MSRP. I have gone ahead and I put some toppers on here that I know which one is which. She has no idea. I don't think it really matters because you don't know anything about these whiskeys anyways. No. So, but I tried to get them as similar as I could in proof so that one of them, she didn't basically just say, I don't like because it's high proof, because that's probably what would happen.
Absolutely.
So her spirit of choice is tequila.
What's tequila?
Yeah, it's like beer.
Is it fattening?
Fattenings?
Forget it. If it's like beer, we'll have some. 3 tequilas.
And just never ventures into the bourbon realm. So we should probably get some fun facial expressions.
I would assume so.
So, and I'll be honest with you, these are not high proof bourbons. So
That's
I didn't.
Good.
I'm not going in here and just throwing her some hazmat just to be a jerk. So
yes, I appreciate that.
Even then, I don't know that she'll particularly enjoy them. So thanks for suffering through this with us.
Absolutely.
So with that, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, one real quick thing. This is a shameless plug.
Oh, yeah.
So I think it's pretty cool. Here, let's do this one because it's closer. But my buddy a neighbor of mine is doing these things. I thought they were pretty cool. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them, but he made these caps out of barrel heads, and I thought that was a really cool. Bar Toast is a company that he's running, and I thought that was pretty awesome. He dropped these off the other day. So,
yeah,
anyways,
he makes really cool stuff.
Yeah, I love people that have a talent with woodworking. So I thought that was pretty cool. So with that, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna set this up, and then we'll get after it. You ready? I think it'll be fun.
Okay.
All right.
You keep saying fun.
Let's go.
Okay.
You gotta be ready to do it. You gonna drink this?
I'm just tasting it. Like that's it.
You taste it. You got talked about it too. All right, so let's
I have to, like, smell it.
So we're gonna get into it. I think you have to do everything.
Okay.
You gotta pretend like you know what you're doing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So one.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
And if you if you love it too much, I can fast forward. You know, if you're enjoying it too much.
I really don't think that's gonna happen, but
if you want to nose it a lot,
you never know. Maybe if I drink a lot of bourbon, I start liking it more. I don't know. Okay.
I think that's kind of how it works, actually. How did that one go for you?
Can I drink water?
Yeah, you can drink water.
Okay.
It's okay.
I mean, it tastes like bourbon.
It tastes like bourbon. Mm-hmm. And that's a fair note. I think I did my video. I said that's a fair note.
Yep, bourbon.
Bourbon? Is it good bourbon?
It's bourbon. Okay.
Pretty good. Yeah. So her favorite, by the way, I did a video a while back on my favorite whiskeys to give to people that are just getting into whiskey. And so hers, she didn't like it, but her favorite of the ones I offered was Michter's Toasted Sour Mash. You seemed to like that one. It tasted, you actually got like the marshmallow note.
Okay, yeah. I remember that one. Yeah.
So that was.
I don't get marshmallow.
You don't get no marshmallow. What do you get?
No. Alcohol.
Alcohol.
I don't know.
That's fair. You don't have to have a tasting note, by the way.
Okay.
You just
I'm like, I don't know.
The whole goal here is not for you to taste notes. It's to see if you can pick the expensive one.
Next one.
Yeah, next one. Go for it.
It smells stronger.
I'm curious. Do all of you have any significant others that love or completely dislike bourbon? I'm very curious what the split is.
Oh, God.
No? This is a no-go?
That's a no. Ooh, I'm like sweating now.
Oh, that's good. That's your least favorite?
Yeah. So I would say this one's the $200 bottle.
That's the most whiskey I think I have ever got my wife to drink in one sitting, right? Mm-hmm. That's probably the most whiskey I think I've ever had my wife drink in one sitting, which is pretty awesome.
Okay. Boy.
Yeah. You going back one more round? I like this.
To let it go down the pipes on fire.
I like it.
Okay. Okay. I'm trying.
So this is fun.
Yeah, no.
No, okay, that's interesting.
That one.
So, all right, you picked this one right here, the first one right here. So let's go ahead and put that here.
Yeah.
This is interesting. Okay, all right. So you all know which one it is. I will tell you. I'm gonna actually get up. So, all right. So boom.
Oh my God, I should have known. You would have done this one.
Yeah.
Dang it.
I love Russell's 10.
I should have known.
So the expensive bottle. Let me get these right. Expensive bottle right here.
Am I right?
Are you right? No, you are not right.
Oh.
So this is the expensive bottle right here.
Dang.
And then this is the bottle that my wife preferred.
But that's funny because that's like your favorite.
I love Russell's.
Yeah.
I love Russell's. I love Remus too. But I think that sometimes it just doesn't add up. So you're talking 4x the price for Remus Gatsby Reserve. And I don't know that it's 4 times better. I mean, I don't think it's better, to be honest with you.
I also wouldn't take my opinion.
Did you like Russell's 10? I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to get her to like whiskey. It'd be so fun. But then, my bottles would go down quicker. So,
That is true.
so maybe just keep her liking
It's
tequila.
very cost effective,
Yeah. Maybe we'll do one where she can give me a bunch of tequila. But the problem is I enjoy tequila too. I just enjoy bourbon a lot more.
Yeah, I would say it's getting better.
Getting better?
It's not as bad as it used to be when we first started this journey, but like it's still not my
Not your jam.
drink of choice.
That was the gist today. I think we just wanted to come in here and see if my wife could pick out the most expensive bourbon, and you failed miserably.
Yeah. I mean, did we really think that I was gonna get it right?
I think the goal here is just to get my wife in here drinking whiskey with me.
I think that was your goal as well.
I think that was the goal. So what next?
All right. Okay, I have an idea. What if out of all your bourbons back here, and if you haven't seen his wall, it's a lot of bourbon. What if I pick one bottle from a distillery and you have to guess the distillery, or two? One.
You can do one or two.
One.
Just do one, yeah.
All right, so I'll pick one distillery, pour a little bit for you,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna have to pause because you need to leave the room.
Yeah, we can do that. I'll pause real quick and come right back.
Yeah, I don't even want you to hear where my footsteps are because I know you know where every single bottle is in this room.
It's organized.
So,
it's the only thing organized in my life.
It's not the only thing. All right.
All right, here we go. Pause.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
I also feel like this is not fair because you know that it can't be anything on the top because I can't reach it.
Best thing about being tall is you're closer to God and Jesus in the heavens, because it's a blessing.
Yeah, to be that high.
Yeah. So what's yours?
Best thing about being small, good clothes.
But
They can't tell that.
You
They
still
don't
have,
know that you're
like-
shorter.
that's true.
So no, she cannot reach my top shelf.
So, I mean, you still have a plethora of options to choose from. So, and I might have poured a little too much.
All right. So my goal is to guess the distillery.
Yes.
Oh God, it's gonna be tough. So that smells
I mean,
fantastic.
if you get it, I'm literally just going to die.
That's really good. Do I like this?
I have no idea. I can't if you get this.
So it's lower proof.
I probably should have looked at that. You really not know?
Is it a rye?
How am I supposed to know that?
That's a rye.
I don't.
Okay, before you give me a clue, I think it is Midwinter's Night Dram Act 12. Honestly, it's so light. I love Midwinter's Night Dram and batch 9, 8, 9, and 10, even 10 a little bit, but 7, 8, 9 I love. And it got a little bit, I don't know if softer as time went on. And so the flavors didn't come through, but it could just be that 7, 8, 9 have opened up and got a little softer over time. But I think this is Midwinter's Night Dram Act 12.
You freaking kidding me right now?
That's my guess. I don't know. I'm trying to play.
I don't know what act it is. Yes, it is Midwinter's Night Dram.
Is it really?
Yes. I will go get it.
swear to God, guys, we did not. She made me like make noises and stuff.
No, it's not 12.
It's not 12. Okay.
It's not 12. It's 8.
8. Okay, so it's
Yeah.
Midwinter's Night Dram Act 8, which is so here's why. So
That's ridiculous.
You can see that it's been opened for some time, it looks like, and so there's been a lot of air getting into it, so it's lightened up. I'm looking down there because I'm trying to see from the reflection what's going on. But so yeah, this is one of my favorite. I love Midwinter's Night Dram. This one has just softened over time.
I picked this one because this was like the first one that you had to try.
You
were like trying to get me into bourbon.
And you didn't like it still. No. So this is a bottle that for you all, this is just personal anecdote. When winter comes and like that first snow, I live in Virginia, that first snow, I just love this bottle. And so for me, a lot of whiskey revolves around atmosphere, the people you're with, the time. I don't think there's a perfect bottle all the time. I think the bottle that you enjoy really is dependent on the environment you're in and the people you're with, and that depends on whether or not I put ice on it, make a cocktail, drink it straight, or whatever. And this one, when it snows, there is no literally, you could give me the best bottle of whiskey in the world, and I would prefer this. That's the honest truth, right? You would say that, right?
Oh yeah, every winter.
So
it is the one you open up, which is why I picked it.
This one stumped me a little bit because it was Midwinter's Night Dram, but kind of muted, and I think that's because this has been open for. That's another thing I got to figure out. I don't keep whiskey. I share it, so I open everything. I don't. That's not part of my jam. Is like collecting.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of bottles, and that's a problem. So this air problem is probably something I need to research a little bit more. It's still really good, by the way. It just changed over time, and so this is a perfect example that whiskey does change over time. I probably need to do a whole video on that. I don't know enough about that, but so I'm not that bad.
No, you nailed it. I'm actually like
she's like
incredibly shocked.
She thought it was all fake.
I really did. I really thought that you were going to say something else. And then I was going to pick like Bardstown because
I love Bardstown.
Yeah, you love Bardstown. And then I was like, no, he's going to nail that one like right away.
Yeah.
Not doing that. So then
you know a lot about whiskey without
knowing. I do because
you live with me.
Yes.
I was like, you're naming distilleries.
I know all of it. I just don't drink it.
A couple things real quick. So obviously, this wasn't to shame my wife in any way or to just make fun of people who don't know whiskey. That's not the point of this. It's just interesting little take to bring my wife in and see if someone that has no idea about whiskey can pick out the most expensive bottle, because sometimes I just don't think it really matters. And to be honest with you, I just love my wife and I wanted to sit next to her and film a video. So this was a good excuse for me to do that. So, and you've been a good sport. Was it fun?
Yeah. I would say it was fun. Yeah.
You just didn't like whiskey?
I just am still, it's growing on me.
Okay.
But
small wins.
Yeah.
Small wins. And I would take that away from here. Like, for those of you that are in a relationship and your significant other isn't the biggest fan of whiskey, I think that's perfectly great, normal, I think. And if they are, that's good as well. I just don't think it's a requirement to enjoy whiskey. So, lean into it, figure out what their favorite spirit is, make sure that the whole world doesn't revolve around whiskey, make sure that you enjoy some of their cocktails. Me and my wife did something.
Yeah, when you make me a cocktail with whiskey, then I'm all for it.
I think we made a bourbon Rita. We did a short about it. Yeah. So
there's some other bourbon cocktails that you've made that I really like too.
Yeah, maybe we'll do.
So yeah,
that's actually a good point.
It's just straight.
That's fair. I mean, straight whiskey, straight tequila, it's all kind of tough. But that's actually a good idea. If you all want to see some cocktail stuff, generally I see that that's not really something that's massively enjoyed, but I love cocktails. If you're interested in it, I can do some cocktail videos. And I can do it with many spirits, but obviously my preference is whiskey and bourbon. But that would be something that would be fun.
I will drink those.
Yeah, and my wife would be along for that ride. But
I absolutely will be.
But yeah, so with that, thank you so much.
Yeah,
and
thanks.
Maybe we do it again. We can do it with the cocktail video.
Okay, yeah.
And as always, hit up the comments with your thoughts. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I appreciate you for suffering through this with me. And I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.
Bye.
The editing is going to be a nightmare.